are the ingredients we used. It's the chicken boobies, the breast, the titties, matwele, spices, and all that. So here we're pouring water to boil our pasta, and then we're pouring our salt in there, and then we're gonna fetch our olive oil. I king, olive oil, the expensive one. We're going to pour. There was a lot going on. My mom was also baking. Olive oil in the boiling water so that your pasta, macaroni, whatever, do not stick. And then you pour your pasta in the hot water for it to boil, to cook. And then here I'm chopping the peppers. I didn't want peppers in that, but we were debating with my mom, and I ended up chopping the peppers, the bell peppers, the green, yellow, and red for color. You know the drill. So I chopper there, I chopper. And I'm dancing while doing that. I chopper, yeah. You guys can see we are chopping. Ish. Okay, it's a speed there. Chopper speed, dear. Chopper speed. Ish. Daimani. Chopper stara, hajo. And I'm doing them in cubes because I can't like bell peppers, onions, and stuff like that. Because I take them out of my food. Like, nah, you know? Okay. And then next we take our boobies, we also gonna cut them into cubes so that they cook throughout. And as you guys know, these cook very fast, like very fast. So we're cutting them into cubes so that we can mix with our, yeah, you guys will see at the end, man. Get the cubesy, they're not perfect, but yeah, get the cubes. Now we are sauteing our peppers with oil, and then here I'm showing you guys the cubes I made. And then we're gonna season our titties, salt there. I think this is the price spice. I don't know where my mother buys these spices, but yeah, price spice, and then cayenne pepper, of course, darling. Throw that cayenne pepper inside. Throw the cayenne, yeah. Spice and the, and then you mix with your hands. Mix through, baby girl, baby boy. Mix, like, do not be scared to mix. You understand? Mix a dilo tsa gago, yeah. Mix a dilo tsa gago, and then you're gonna take your butter and throw it in the pan where you did your bell peppers in, to throw in your titties in, right? Sorry, yeah. Ke butter here more. Go tlogela di breast tsa go ka mo. Yabo. Le pane la hao la non-stick le expensive, sebedisa lona la non-stick di. Oh, agele dilo ka da urure. You mix urure until they are brown to the consistency you want. Rura mugelo, rura. Mixa dilo tsa hao, rura mo. Rura. Mix. Next you see those bell peppers gave the chicken color. Like, that is what the bell peppers were for. Now our pasta is ready, and we're gonna strain it. And unfortunately, so some depended on the expensive part, but okay, that doesn't matter. Yeah, you made it work. You strain your pasta when I steam it. Yeah. O drain metsi ao a tswe kaofela in the pasta a tswe kaofela. You see? Yeah, cooking with Chef Rhoda. You know the drill. And then in the same pan you did your boobies in, throw in butter again to make your cream sauce now. Butter. So we didn't have so we were also baking. We didn't have what's this? Flour, so I used cremora. You guys will see. And oh, this was delicious. I used cremora. Urure mugel. Rura. You mix. you mix. And then you take your milk. Tell milk, so you pour your milk. Guys, one thing about me, I do not measure, so I don't know, guys. Nah, the Holy Spirit whispers in my ear, you know? Yeah. That's what happens if you spiritually awoke. Like, Jay, and we didn't have like cheesy, so I used slices, and I think I used 6 slices. And then you will see the consistency you need, like the thickness you need. Like rura until you get the thickness you need. And then get the cayenne pepper happy because why not? And you see, thick like my thighs. Yeah. So this is the creamy sauce. Wabona le color ya dumela man. And you're gonna throw in your breasts again. Umixe. Your breasts with your cream sauce. And then we are going to take our pasta and throw it in there. Yeah. You mix, man. Mixa selo seo. Mixa hobe monate. Like most of the video is raruring. We are mixing. And also, if you don't know, like if ever you're using a nonstick pan, you shouldn't be using metal spoons and stuff like that. You see, I'm using a plastic spoon to mix my things. Yeah, there is the finished product.